Hello everyone, Elistria here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So I am coming in to make a little treat. Ice cream sandwiches were one of the things that I used to frequent before I crossed the River Jordan over into my healthy lifestyle. So today I'm going to feature one of the chocolate flatbread cakes that I featured on my Facebook and Instagram and social media, which, by the way, if you aren't following me, you should be, because I post more frequently than I do on YouTube, and to let you guys know what I have, what I'm eating, where I'm going, things like that. So follow me on there. It's in the description box. Bless ya. So I'm going to use some of those chocolate flat cakes, and then I'm going to use some frozen bananas that I've already broken up into pieces. That good ninja. Hiya. Okay. And some flax milk, cinnamon, and vanilla. We're going to keep it real basic today. And I'm going to show you guys how I make ice cream. Vegan style. Huh? Hold on. Okay, guys. So you see that I have already added in my bananas broken up. I'm going to add in can you see that? About a half teaspoon of vanilla. I like vanilla. You may like less or more. I personally love the flavor of vanilla, so that's that part. Let's say about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is great again to help regulate your blood sugar, but also, excuse me, it helps to enhance the sweetness and bring out the flavors of your food. Then I'm going to take some of this here good karma, and I'm going to add in a splash. When I say a splash, I really do mean a splash, because what you don't want to make a milkshake. Okay, we're not Khalees. We don't want to make a milkshake. We're not trying to bring nobody to the yard. We're making ice cream. All right. So we're going to blend this up. We want it to be a creamy texture, and then we're going to put it into the freezer so that it can solidify more. But we don't want to make a milkshake because it's going to take longer to come to that creaminess and to become more solid in the freezer. We don't want it to be an ice cube. We're trying to make ice cream. Okay, so let me get my lid on and blend a little bit, and then we're going to come back and check. Okay, you guys, so it is all blended. It's a nice thick consistency, not runny. So I'm going to transfer that to a bowl, and then I'll come right back. Okay, guys, so my ice cream puree is here. Now, for me, those bananas were very ripe when I froze them, so they're already, very sweet. And then you have the sweetness from the little flatbread cookie cake portion of it. So I personally am not going to add any sweetener. If I were, I would have done that when I was blending, probably some honey or some maple syrup. You could have also added some seed or nut butter. You could have added nuts, whatever you like. Honey, I've done some of everything, but we're going to keep it simple and basic on today, okay? But you can add anything that you would like to flavor your ice cream mixture. Now I'm just going to cover it with some cling wrap all the way down and press it down so that it doesn't get a film on it. And I'm going to freeze that in the freezer for at least an hour or two to firm that texture back up, and then we can assemble our sandwiches. Haha. Catch you back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have kind of worked my little banana ice cream, some people call it nice cream, into a nice little ball right there. I have one of my flat, just ashy hands. Sorry, one of my flat little cakes here. I'm going to turn it down, and then I'm going to place a dollop of my ice cream on top. So I've added my nice cream on top, spread it out a little bit, and I'm going to take my other little flat cake. Doesn't it look like an ice cream sandwich? Isn't it so cute? So there you guys have it. Just for nostalgia, I'm going to wrap it in some wax paper and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, there you are. A nostalgic visit down memory lane. and we are meeting that cool, sweet desire that we had for an ice cream sandwich. Isn't it amazing? Everything that we need is already here in the earth, so we just have to find a way to make it work. So I hope you guys try this. If you do, leave some comments in the comment section. If you try this recipe, also hit me up on social media and show me your pictures and everything like that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope it was helpful, and take care. Blessings until the next time. Bye.